Hi, this is Pete with wrapmyspyder.com. In our video today we're showing you our 5-piece glove box kit, and this is out of our 3D domed real carbon fiber material. Of course, when you start your installation, surface prep is really important, and as you know from probably watching our other videos, we always recommend that you use 70% rubbing alcohol and paper towel off the roll. So you'll want to make sure that you take your time in prepping the surface, because this is what contributes to long-lasting durability as far as the product staying on the surface of this glove box. So take your time as you wipe the surface down with the rubbing alcohol. Be thorough in doing so. So this kit consists of 5 pieces. There's a top piece, as you see, where we've made some alignment marks using a grease pencil. These alignment marks are going to help you to position the kit on the surface of the glove box properly. So we mark the front of the glove box and there at the back, and then we're going to align our marks, making sure that this particular top center part is completely even. So there's the marks front and back. You want to make sure too that your left and right adjusted so that it's on nice and straight. This will impact how your side pieces are placed as far as alignment's concerned. Our kits are going to come with the 3M adhesive promoter. That's basically insurance that you don't have any problems when it comes to adhesion in the future. By having the kit as 3 pieces now on the top, this is going to prevent any potential peeling issues. This promoter is basically just insurance. So you're going to take the promoter pad, which is saturated with the promoter material, and wipe down that surface of the glove box. Make sure that the promoter is dry before you start your installation. We're just waving that packet over there to let that promoter dry so that it tacks up nicely. Once you have it where it's dry and ready to accept the dash kit, you're going to peel off the 3M acrylic backing paper to expose the adhesive of the kit. Now remember, this is super sticky, so you want to make sure that your placement is precise and exact. So take your time, do whatever you have to do to make sure you have good lighting so that you can see your positioning. So we always start by aligning that front edge. You want to align your marks, which you've put on the kit, and then make sure that your horizontal alignment across the top of that glove box is also nice and straight. Once you have it aligned, you can slowly lay the piece down on the surface. You can see how I'm tacking it in the center. Try to keep the edges up, because you don't want to trap any air bubbles as you're pushing it down. So once you have it tacked in the middle, then you can take a cloth or something soft, and with your left hand holding the kit up a little bit, you can see how my right hand's holding it up in the air a little bit until you press it down. That's to help prevent catching any air bubbles underneath that top piece. Once you have the top piece aligned, then you can move to the left and right side pieces. For these, you want to make sure that you're horizontally, or in this case vertically aligned with that top piece. Try to keep it reasonably tight. Dry set it in advance so you can kind of get a feel for placement and alignment. If you want to put marks there to ensure your placement, go ahead and do so. When you're comfortable, then the same process is going to occur where you peel off the backing, exposing the adhesive side of the dash kit, and then carefully get it into position and aligned as you see fit. By having these as separate pieces on the sides, this is going to prevent any potential peeling issues now that could have happened with the old style, which was folding the flaps down over top. So you do have a slight chance to reposition, but do your best to make sure that your alignment is precise the first time, and that way you can ensure that you've got it nice and straight exactly where you want it. And then again, once you have it where you want it, you can use your thumb or a cloth to gently press the kit onto the surface of that glove box. And basically what you're going to do then after that is you're going to repeat the process for the other side. So there's our piece. You can expose it and place it again as desired. This isn't a super complicated install, but you do want to take your time. I apologize that my hand's kind of in the way for alignment purposes. Trying to get it installed and have a place for the camera is a little bit tight, but positioning wise, you want to make sure that that edge along the top where the two meet is nice and tight and of course even, and also your forward and back is even as well. And for placement on the pieces that are on the front, basically you're going to align those left and right, top and bottom, and use the same process for application. None of this is super complicated. It's more about taking your time and making sure that your placement is accurate, as well as making sure that your surface is clean and ready to accept the kit. That's very important that you do so. Once you have your pieces in place, you're going to go ahead like we're doing here and gently press all around the surface area, especially along the edges of the kit, down into position, and then you can take some light heat with a hairdryer and gently warm the kit while you're pressing it down into position. This just ensures that you're going to have nice long-term adhesion without any kind of issues. Again, with having that 3M promoter as part of the process, that's basically insurance for you that you're not going to have any trouble in the future, and really going to give you that long-term durability that you're looking for from our products from Wrap My Spyder. Once you have it basically heated and pressed into place, that pretty much will do it for you as far as installation is concerned. For surface prep and cleaning, you can apply gentle spray wax to it and wipe it down just to help it keep its shine, and that of course will help and protect it as well. And that pretty much should do it as far as your application. This is our new 5-piece 3D domed glove box kit from wrapmyspyder.com. That is a real carbon fiber weave. It is a 3D domed, so it is a raised thick material. And we have a lot of products in the same material for the new 2020, 2021 Can-Am Spyder RT Limited models. So please check out our website at wrapmyspyder.com. This is Pete, and we thank you so much for watching this application video.